sewing machine.
Ooh, okay, so sewing machine, nice. Gross. Is that a normal sized car that a giant's picking up, or is that a toy car?
What are you talking about? Yeah.
Okay, so it looks pretty dingy. My guess is we're gonna restore it.
Yeah, looks vintage car.
Ooh.
It's it.
First thing is to soak it.
Uh-huh.
And then toothbrush. Nice. Yeah, did you know that toy cars are actually made of teeth?
What?
No, it's not true.
Of course. But
They're being so delicate with it. Maybe it's an
Yeah.
antique.
maybe. But it does look so good, right?
It looks...
the car itself.
Yeah.
Just like,
Oh no. Okay.
wow.
So we're cutting off the old wheels. For some reason that hurts to see. I don't know why.
I love restoration videos. How they
Where's the
fix
engine?
everything. Somewhere, not here.
Yeah. Alright, so we're taking off all the pieces. So now it's just the complete base.
Oh, the special liquid to get rid of the paint.
Mm.
Oh, see?
Wow, okay.
It's always satisfying when this paint starts bubbling and
Yeah, and then it just easily strips off. Nice. Okay, so it's metal. Nice. We're just gonna kind of polish it, or like sand it.
sand it, yeah.
Okay.
Remove all these scratches, which is
Ooh, that's really it is really satisfying watching it get shinier. Ooh.
satisfying. Okay.
Ooh. You can talk better, yeah. Okay. That's
Wow,
nice.
Clever.
Very
White
clever.
wheels. Nice.
All right, we're polishing this with the Dremel. It's nice and shiny on the front.
Here, you see this one? Get the knife.
It's nice. What are they doing here? Is this windows?
I don't know.
I don't know actually.
What is this?
I don't know what decal this is supposed to be.
It's a bumper or something like this.
Or the grate on the front.
Mm-hmm. It's also gonna be. Oh, it's a.
It's the inside, the interior.
Oh,
That's
it's
neat.
not only restoration. It's modernization. I don't know.
Modernization, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Wow. Okay, and now.
They're refurbishing it.
Such a neat process.
This is very, yeah. When it's close up, you don't realize how like one small move could just mess it up. So,
Yeah.
very good job here.
Now it will be red.
I don't know how I feel about the color. I liked it white. Like, maybe like a gray would have been nice, but
I like red.
yeah?
I like red.
Okay.
Me personally, I like red.
I don't know.
It's my favorite color, I guess.
Really?
Yeah, one of them.
You know, people who have red as their favorite color are known for violent tendencies.
What? It just came out with
No,
it,
no,
right?
it's real. Yeah, yeah. It's if your two favorite colors are black and red, then you're more likely to be violent. Apparently.
No, I'm not the love only red one.
Cockroaches. Ooh.
Wow, okay. What can you do with this chair?
I would, I don't know,
I mean,
put it back in trash, probably.
yeah. But I'm really happy that there is some guys who can make out of this garbage something cool.
That's
and
true.
we'll see now what exactly he can make. And we'll judge.
Guys, would you go
We'll
into
judge
the
him.
trash and restore some old stuff that you found, like this old chair? What would you do with this chair?
Yeah. Tell us. What do you, about you personally? What you would do with this chair?
That's an interesting question, Archie. Now, to answer that question, I would have to look deep into myself and establish my core values first. So, my value is comfort, so I'd probably make it a comfortable chair again, like this man is seemingly going to do. I would get giant marshmallows. I'd get giant marshmallows,
Okay. Where?
and I'd put them as the base of the chair. So I would sit on marshmallows.
Okay.
It would be sticky, but also if I get hungry, then I could just.
I think you don't need a chair at all. You
No, I
can
just
just
need
sit on the
marshmallows.
marshmallow.
Yeah. Okay, so all I'm really saying now is that I'm hungry.
Actually.
Okay, so this is the base. Looks good. So far, so good. No, we have to react to it. We can't just watch it. We have to react to it. That's what we're
Do
here
we?
for.
Should we?
Yes, we should.
No,
Look
we
at the
shouldn't.
leather. Look at the leather.
Uh-huh.
Wow, leather.
Wow. Knife. Cutter.
Amazing. Oh,
Wow, that's satisfying. Who filmed this? Master of filming.
probably master of
Yeah.
filming. Was it you?
No, it
Okay.
wasn't me. Wow.
All right, we're sewing it all together. It looks like we're making a nice leather chair.
Leather chair, right. Wow. Okay, well.
What is he doing? What is that part that is that just like binding the pieces together, I guess? Okay.
No, it looks so easy, but I understand that it's not.
Oh yeah,
that
this would
easy.
be a pain in the butt to make
Yeah.
for real.
But this dude know what he doing.
Imagine knowing what you're doing in life, you know? Like that'd be crazy.
Yeah. We're not close to it.
No. We'll see.
Really treasure it, I guess. But I mean, I like it.
That goes to show the difference between trash and treasure is the mind of a creative person. Wow.
Wow.
Truly inspiring.
I think it's not a cheap job.
No, I don't think it would be cheap.
Yeah.
I mean, cheaper than buying a new chair like that, for sure.
Yeah, I guess so.
Apart from all the tools you need, of course. But yeah, looks good.
Well, okay. I mean, looks vintage.
It looks
still.
vintage.
What is this? It's a sew machine?
Ooh, okay, so sewing machine, nice. Looks really old.
Oh.
Hmm.
Now they're gonna restore it, right?
How are they gonna restore it?
Just to clean it. Get rid of rust and
And that's the whole video.
done.
Nice. Ooh, okay. How old do you think that is? Like
I think it's around 70 years.
70 years old, yeah, it
I
looks like
think
it.
So it's a pretty old machine.
That's one thing, like a lot of kids when I was growing up would
Yeah.
like take things like that and like take them apart and then put them back together. I would just take them apart and then completely forget how to put them back together, and now I'd have a bunch of garbage.
Of course, I would look at this child who could put them together.
Yeah.
Kind of smart.
Smart, yeah, exactly. I just wasn't one of those kids.
I also took it apart. That's it.
Okay, just cleaning rust. And a little bit of sanding process going on. Oh no, you're getting rid of the...
The all letters. And
Yeah.
Everything. Oh.
Ooh, I like the black finish though.
Oh. Now the rusted.
It's kind of gone. They
Yeah.
still have some work to do there. Ooh, okay, they got some steel wool to get rid of, to strip that rust. Ooh,
Wow,
black and
go.
gold, yeah! Alright, very pretty. Singer. Ah.
On your tailbone. Right.
Okay, screw it in.
Mm-hmm.
How does it connect though? Like, where's the mechanism fit in all of this?
Oh, making the hole for it, right? And it will perfectly fit there.
Nice.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, we bring a copper wire up, or some kind of wire.
It's like a chain, you know.
Oh, yeah. I want to see it work. Let's
Show
sew some
us.
stuff. Show me.
Shows the process. Okay.
Ooh, yeah,
Wow.
there we go.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Well, good job, guys. Wow.
from singer
Yeah.
to new singer.
Singer. Still old-fashioned thing for some museum. I guess nobody will use it, but nice restoration.